In this video, I'm going to create a fresh Gmail account. Alright, so we are creating an ad account, but I'm starting from scratch so that anyone who is not having a Gmail account can go ahead and create, and then that account can be moved to a ad account. So let me create that. Okay, so what I will do is I will create an account, okay, for myself. This is a Gmail fresh account. Okay, we will enter our name, and then I will show you the entire procedure. All right, if you have a Gmail account, no need to create a new account. The only reason why I am creating this is if you are not having a Gmail account, or the ad account which you are using and it is not performing because the setting which you selected were not according to expert setting, then we can go ahead and create a new Gmail account. So I have entered my name, last name, all right, username, and now I will give a password. Okay, there are too many accounts which I have. All right, of every client I have a different account. That is one of the reason why you are able to see so many accounts. Okay, and then I will take a screenshot of this, because what happens is maybe I will forget this username. That is one of the reason I will take a screenshot, and I will save that screenshot uh, on my desktop, so that tomorrow while creating campaigns I can use this. Okay, so let me enter the password. And at times it happens that if you are creating too many Gmail account, then Google will ask you for your mobile number. Okay, that is an optional option, but at times it may happen that Google will ask for a phone number verification. So that time you need to enter the phone number. Now here we are getting a window of optional, so no need to enter phone number. All right, recovery email, again that is an optional. We can go ahead and enter, or we can leave it. Now randomly I will select any month, day and year. Okay, because this is a dummy account, that is the only reason. Okay, otherwise you can enter correct details while creating an account, so that if anything goes wrong, then you can definitely enter your through date of birth or recovery email or phone number, you can recover your account or password. All right, gender, rather not to say, I will select that. Okay, you can select male, female, anything you want. Okay, then do a next. Then on the next screen, our account, we only need to accept the terms and policy, and that's it, the account is created. So just let me know how simple is that to create a Gmail account. Okay, Gmail account creation is very simple, anyone, everyone knows this. All right, still I am showing you this procedure only because if anyone is starting from scratch, they can also learn this. That is only my intention. All right, so see, I have already, my account is activated. Now with the same account, what I will do is I will create a expert account. Okay, and there are very important things. Okay, while creating an expert account, what we need to select, that I'm going to show you in the next window. All right, so please make sure that you select the same settings what I'm going to show you. All right, and by chance if you don't select the same settings, then what you can do is again create a new Gmail account. All right, and create a new ad account. This is very important, because if you don't select correct setting, then what will happen is we will not have access to many accounts, to many manual accounts. All right, so we need to make sure that we have an access. Now grow your business with Google Ads. All right, so I will get started. I will do get started, and then I will show you the important settings. The only reason why I in this video my you're not able to see my face is I want you to make sure, I want you to pay attention on the screen. Okay, not on my face but on the screen. what selection I am doing. This is very important while creating an expert account. Okay, watch this video twice or thrice, alright? But make sure that you don't select any other option while creating an account. This is very important. Now, the only reason I'm not getting that email ID in this list is because I'm already logged in with another email account. So what I will do is I will do a logout and again I will do a login so that I can get that Google account which we have created just now. All right. So give me a second. I will do that. Okay, so let me select the new Google Ads account which we created. You can see up also Mosin search 123. Now let us start. These are very important settings which I am going to tell you. Okay, pay attention on this and make sure that you select these settings only. So now what is Google asking us? What's your main advertising goal? This is the question which Google is asking. So we need to make sure that we don't select any of this option. Let me tell you that very clear. Don't select any of this option. Google is asking get more calls, get more websites, sales or signups, get more, visit to your physical location if you are running a shop, showroom, clinic, okay, local shops. So get visit to physical location, get more brand awareness with video views if you're having a YouTube channel, all right, and if you want more reviews. So this is how we can create a campaign. So these are the four objectives while creating a campaign, but we will not select any of this option. The reason why, because everything will get automated, and then what will happen is we will spend more amount, but we will not click on this and see this. Are you a professional marketer? Yes, switch to expert mode. So if you are a professional marketer, if you know about Google Ads, then go ahead and select switch to expert mode. I'm going to teach you step by step each and everything about how to create campaigns. All right. So now you need to tell Google that yes, we are expert and we will create a campaign according to us. All right. So this is very important thing. What people will do is they will select upper get calls or website signups, and then they tell us that sir, ads are not performing or we are spending a lot of money. That is the only reason why. So now we will select this option, and then there is one more important setting which we will get in the other screen. All right, so let me deactivate my pen. I will click this option and I will show you another window. All right, just give me a moment out here. Switch to expert mode. Now let us move to another window. Once I click this option, on another window, I will show you what are the important settings which we need to select. So it will take some time. Okay, now Google is asking us select the goal that would make this campaign successful to you. All right. Here also, these are catchy things which we will not select because in this training, I am going to teach you step by step entire campaign creation. All right, where we can save money, get a lot of traffic and quality customers and leads. So we will deselect this option, sales, no, leads, no, traffic, website, brand consideration, awareness, app promotion. All right, app promotion is something wherein we can tell people to download our app, local store visit, and promotions. This is also we will learn in details. Okay, we will not select any of these option. We will go ahead and select an option called create an account without a campaign. All right, so let me highlight that. So let me activate the pen and I will show you what option we need to select. create an account without a campaign. This is the important setting which we need to select. All right. We are not going to select any of the upper option. We are going to select create an account without a campaign. All right. And we will decide what campaigns we need to run. Are we clear on this? So make sure that we select this option only. So let me deactivate my pen. And now I will go ahead and select this option, create an account without a campaign. And once I select the option, you will see the next window. I will talk about confirm your business information in the next video. So see you in the next video about how to set billing information and GST information or PAN card information. Thank you.